Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to buzz your lips for playing the trumpet. This will be a beginner lesson, so let's get right into the video. And you don't even need an actual trumpet for this, you just need a mouthpiece. If you have a trumpet, that's an added bonus, but you just need a mouthpiece. And even if you don't have a mouthpiece, you can sort of practice this part even without the mouthpiece. But I have a mouthpiece here just because you'll be able to hear if you're doing it properly with only the mouthpiece. You don't even need the full trumpet. Let's get right into the video. So essentially, we're going to train you to have proper embouchure. Embouchure is essentially, the proper mouth usage for playing a trumpet. Okay. Now, essentially, you want to start off by saying the sound okay. So like like you're saying, oh, that's yummy, or even right? Anything that ends in okay. So you want to say any word that ends in and you want that sound right there. Okay. Now when you have and it's just, okay. When you have that down, you're going to tighten your lips and tighten the corners of your lips as well. So go, watch that again. I'll go from a side profile over here. And then once you have everything nice and tight, okay, you're going to bring your chin or your lower jaw a little bit forward. So check this out. Okay, now you can stop saying at this point. You pretty much know. You don't have to say the sound. I don't know why I kept doing it. You pretty much know how to get your lips. Saying the sound is just to get your lips in the right position. You don't have to keep saying over and over like I did, okay? So it's going to look like this. Now, once you have your lips in the correct position, you want to essentially blow out through your lips. And in order to get the right pressure on your lips, you just need to practice. You might not get the sound right away, but with practice, you will definitely get it. So blow until you get like a buzzing sound. So check this out. That's the sound you're looking for, okay? I'll try that one more time. The corners of my lips are really tight, okay? Chin and lower jaw are a little bit forward, and And how I'm getting that is with my tongue, but you can just go. Now, once you have that sound, you're pretty much ready to put it into the mouthpiece. But that is essentially the sound for buzzing your lips to play the trumpet. But you can put it into the mouthpiece and sort of see if it sounds something like this. Lick your lips, go into position, and buzz it up. Now what I'm doing there is I'm getting higher notes and lower notes by loosening my lips and tightening them up a little bit and moving my jaw ever so slightly. Check out what I'm doing here. So when I want to go to a lower note, I sort of bring my lips forward a little bit and I loosen them up. When I want to go to a higher note, I go lower by loosening them, and I go higher by tightening them up. All of that was just for show. I don't actually do that when I'm playing the trumpet. But that is essentially how to buzz your lips for playing the trumpet. If you can't get the buzzing sound, but you're doing all the lip stuff right, then you just got to practice. Tighten your lips up a bit, loosen them up. Eventually, within that range of tightening and loosening, you're going to get the proper buzzing sound. Now, I do apologize. I have my trumpet over there. I would play it for you, but right now, my two youngest children are taking a nap. They're far upstairs, right? They're far separated. I'm in the basement bathroom right now, far separated from them. My wife is up there with them, but basically, I don't want to wake them up, so I'm not going to actually play the trumpet, but all you need is a mouthpiece. If it sounds like that, then you're good to go. That's how to buzz your lips for playing the trumpet. A very easy and simplistic tutorial. Yeah, just practice makes perfect. If you can't get it, practice, you will get it. I promise you. Honestly, I can't see it taking more than 40 minutes of practice to like go from not knowing anything at all to being able to buzz your lips properly to actually play the trumpet. And then you can improve from there. But to just get some good sounds out of a trumpet, you can do it in one practice session if you have the right instructor, if you know what I'm saying, and the right instructions. Simplistic, straightforward, laid out nicely, just like hopefully you heard them in this video. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.